Thank you, good students. There is this particular question that I want us to discuss about. The question comes from measurements 2 and says that in an experiment to determine the size of an oil molecule, oil is placed on the surface of water after sprinkling lycopodium powder on it. Now the question says, state two reasons why oil is used. And number 2, state the function of lycopodium in this experiment. Remember, for this experiment, there are 2 or 3 assumptions that we make. Number 1 is that oil, a molecule, is taken to be monolayer. And number 2, we assume that it forms a spherical kind of shape. Now, the reason why we use oil, there are 2 reasons. The first one is because oil doesn't mix with water, and therefore it makes it better to work with it. Number 2 is because oil is less dense than water, and therefore it will float on water. And the reason why we use lycopodium powder is so that to show the boundary of the oil patch clearly for measurements to be taken. Remember that lycopodium is used so that the boundary of the patch can be clearly visible for measurements to be taken. This is actually a practical that is undertaken whenever we are finding the thickness of the oil patch. Thank you, and follow me for more interesting videos of the same.